It is quite normal to feel stressed or frustrated about a job search, especially if you've been searching for quite some time. Okay, so I'm going to talk about some things of strategies that you can apply when it comes to managing your job search. So the first step in terms of managing job search stress is self-awareness. This is all about knowing your triggers. What triggers you? Is it the fact that you feel you get triggered when you see someone, let's say, get a new job, or you may get triggered, let's say, if you're impatient when your kids are not listening to you, whatever that is, like figure out what your triggers are. Like when you figure, like to find out like when you may get really upset or angry or sad, just really tune in to understand what are those triggers. When you're aware about these things, you're going to make better choices and better actions that you're going to take. Second is self-care activities, right? Self-care activities does not mean that you need to necessarily spend money on, but it's really taking time for yourself. Self-care is not selfish. It's sacred. That's one thing I learned from my Peloton instructor, is to really take time to fill your cup. Like what's going to give you joy? What's going to make you happy? Exercise, meditate, all these things is going to help you feel better, right? The key here is that you want to feel better so that you can show up better and have better conversations and track better opportunities there. Third is your surroundings. So this is all about the environment. So the environment is really key here, right? In terms of your surroundings, like the way you set up your home office, your place. Do you have good lighting or the natural light? You can add in some like scent, like candles or diffuser. When the environment feels good to you, you're more likely to be more eager to get work done or have great conversations with people. Right? So for me, like I love having a diffuser or candle in my office. I actually love like even having some perfume. It's something little that can change the mood of how you feel so that you feel less stressed there. The next is to set a schedule, especially if you're so used to go and working. Setting a new routine and schedule is really important. Something that you can look forward to. Have a new routine. Make sure you take breaks. Sometimes people say, oh, job search is like a full-time job. Yes, it may take you a lot of time, but you don't want to be doing that all day because you're not going to be efficient or productive or effective. So make sure you take breaks, take a lunch break, take a walk, set those boundaries of how many job applications that you want to fill out or how many people you want to talk to in a day. All that is going to really help you to be less stressful. Number 5, self-talk. This goes back to having these positive self-talk, the affirmations vision board. I'm really big on affirmations, like simple things like that. I believe that the right job is out there for me, that I ace the next interview, that I connect with people easily, effortlessly. Having these simple affirmations is really going to make a big difference there. Create a vision board, and that's going to guide you in making those decisions there of what you want to do. 6 is to savor your wins. Celebrate progress. Little things like progress such as that you updated your resume, updated your LinkedIn profile, that you crafted your elevator pitch, or connected with 5 people. Celebrate that. I know the end goal is about landing a new opportunity, but celebrate all these little steps that you take. As a career coach, I support people from end to end, from the initial phase of career clarity all the way to acing the interview and salary negotiation. And typically things could take months. So you need to remind yourself of what is working. What are you proud of, right? To remind yourself that you're heading in the right direction. All that is really important to help you feel less stressful. Number 7 is to slow down. So this is like taking time off, sleep in, quiet your mind. This is similar to self-care, but really this is like about slowing down. It's okay to not look for a job on the weekend. It's okay to have a long weekend. It's okay to spend time with family. Oftentimes when you slow down and quiet your mind, you're also going to get new ideas and new inspiration of what else is possible, what else you can do, or who else you can reach out to. Okay, so make sure you take time to slow down there. The 8th is the social media detox. This is such a great way to go off the grid, go offline, turn off phone notifications. If you feel like you're hearing all these, let's say, layoff news that you feel sad about, turn that off there. Give yourself some time to yourself. Essentially, remove yourself away from it so that you can also focus on yourself. One of the big part is that the more you can really calm your mind, minimize distractions, you're going to feel more grounded and centered. You're going to feel less distracted. You're going to feel more focused. You're going to feel stronger as well. Take that time to detox if you need to from social media there. Number 9 is to seize the day. This is all about really making the most out of the day, right? In light of even these challenges, do something fun, do something that you enjoy, do something that's going to make you feel good, whatever that is. Could it be the fact that reading a book or connecting with someone, or it could be dancing at home, watching a movie, whatever that is. Like, do something fun that's going to fill your cup. And then lastly is to seek support, right? This is so important, right? You don't need to do this alone. Job search can feel lonely, but you don't need to do it alone, and you're not alone. There are amazing resources out there, amazing people, coaches, experts that can really help you. So reach out for help, find an accountability buddy, check in with one another. This could be through text or a meetup, whatever that is find someone to support you along the way. That's going to have a huge difference in terms of how you see yourself. It's also going to help you get motivated of what you need to do to move forward. You're also to come up with new ideas by having a support as well.